Hello, my name is Gauri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you enjoy the video. Please show support by subscribing. Thank you. Walking tour of historic Kashi, also known as the Holy Varanasi or Benares City. In this video, we take a leisurely walk through some of the ancient historical parts of Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, India. We first visit Ramnagar Fort, constructed with chunar sandstone material and built in typical Mughal style of architecture by Kashi Naresh Maharaja Balwant Singh in 1750 in a most scenic location on the banks of the river Ganges. Maharaja Aditya Narayan Singh, the King of Benares, who reigned for only 7.5 years before dying in 1939 at the age of 65, was childless and adopted Vibhuti Narayan Singh, a distant cousin, in 1934 to take over the throne as his successor to the Narayan dynasty. The impressive front entrance of Ramnagar Fort used to be the Durbar Hall or the public audience hall of the late scholar of Sanskrit, Veda and Purana, Vibhuti Narayan Singh, who was also the last Bhumihar king of Kingdom of Kashi, died on 25th of December 2000 and cremated with state honors at Manikarnika Ghat. Varanasi is known for its exquisite world-class Banarasi silk sarees, and during our walk, we get a chance to visit a family-run hand weaving of silk, a craft passed through many generations from father to son. Due to increasing modern technology today, there are only about 10% of weavers left in Varanasi.
Used that having inside the his museum.
Okay. And what is the name of the Maharaja again?
Maharaja Vibhuti Narayan.
Vibhuti Narayan.
Yes.
Okay. And is this what we call the fort, or the fort is different?
No, this is called the fort. Watching today with me. Beautiful temple here.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಘಾಟ್ಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾವ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ.
Was the view of Ganga?
What was his name again? Vibhuti Maharaja?
Yeah, Vibhuti. Maharaja Vibhuti Narayan.
Maharaja Vibhuti Narayan.
But now his son is taking care of this palace. The Vibhuti Narayan Singh, he died in 2002.
Oh my god, it's funny.
is the Jacquard machine. This is the product of the France. Before in my country having system all in the design in the trade. You understand?
Yes.
No Jacquard machine.
No.
And the trade design take more time because in one day only trade design
Right.
half inch to 1 inch producing up to 1 inch.
Right.
But when they got the Jacquard machine, this is
Yeah.
the type of the computer.
Right.
This is a more little better
Uh-huh.
than half and 1 inch because this Jacquard machine where he gets 6 to 7 inch in one day. And this all the card having design.
That's a pattern.
Yeah, the pattern is move and this thread jumping in the computer and design come down in the sari, in the scarf. He producing sari.
Right.
साड़ी है ना? Yes, that is साड़ी. इनका भी साड़ी है, सबका साड़ी है. You
सबका
can
है.
see.
यहाँ स्टाफ नहीं मिला था.
Here all they're producing real silk sari.
Yes. Is that pallu?
ये पल्लू है.
नहीं हाथ वाला
नहीं नहीं ये पल्लू है कि
हाँ पल्लू
that is a पल्लू.
Thank you.
इस
Like, how many hours do how many hours do they work here every day?
I think we start from 9-10 o'clock. Then in the noon 1 hour lunch, and then again we start, and then evening 6 to 7 o'clock they close.
It's a very small room for everyone to be sitting here and working all day.
Yes, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 room he have here.
Who is the owner of this?
इसके जो आपके मालिक के हैं.
You are the owner, huh? How long have you owned this?
कितने समय से आपका है ये तब भी ये अपना?
ये हमारे यहाँ सन 72 से.
From 1972.
Since 1972?
Yes.
Ah, that's a long time.
और इसके पहले पुराने मकान में रहा.
No, since 1972 here in this house. But before that, because his generation to generation weaving,
Oh.
he had old house. Before that, it was there.
Oh.
कि करीब हमारे अब्बा 60 साल से काम करते थे.
7 साल से
60
साल मतलब
60 साल से मतलब काम कर
हमारे
आपके
पिता
अब्बा 60 साल से काम कर रहे थे. His father before 60 years
Yeah?
he working in this.
Oh.
You understand?
Yes. His father.
Then second generation
Right. Yes.
and his grandfather as well.
Right.
Third generation. Now his child also learning.
So that's his son.
Yes.
Ah.
काम बनाने वाला जो आदमी रहा 200 बरिस का में रहा. 200 साल.
ये मतलब समझे नहीं.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.